Do you really need fuses? And the answer is both yes and no. When I first made my first solar generator, the reason why I did it was because I saw videos out there of vans with solar systems, but I hardly saw anybody talking about the fusing. And so I deliberately made that video with the fuses out in front to kind of make a little bit of a point. Because if you don't have fusing and you're showing people how to make or build a solar system and you don't have fuses, you're going to have a fire. And that's why my solar generator looks the way it does. It was just to make a point. Use fuses. Even people that are now doing videos showing, oh, I use fuses, when they made their first videos, they weren't doing it like that. And so that was the point for that. But here's the next point. You don't need fuses. You can use breakers. And breakers are better because if with a blown fuse, then you have to search for the fuse. But with a breaker, all you have to do is reset it. And so breakers are a good way to go also. So basically, do you need fuses? Really, you don't. You can buy a breaker. In fact, I prefer it. It's a lot easier. You don't have to search around, especially in a van or a vehicle. You don't have to search for the fuse. You got a breaker. So just another recommendation. I want to talk about also, if you get a battery, you can do it the easy way. Just buy one of these Noco adapters, and it comes with a fuse in there. It's another thing that you can do if you want to get a refrigerator and you want to don't want a inverter. You can find a refrigerator that just runs off 12 volt and get yourself an adapter. Or some of them come with adapters, but some of them don't. Just get yourself one, and there you go. So that's my video on some options that you can do, some solar options if you're living in a vehicle. Have a good day, you guys.